Ardo is a multinational food processing company specialized in producing and packaging fresh frozen vegetables, herbs and fruit. With over 20 production facilities in 9 different countries, we serve customers worldwide in food service, industry and retail. As we say, we preserve nature's gifts. Currently, we have over 15 different ERPs within the group. So this added complexity and the fact that our business is growing is reducing our visibility in our information. And this, of course, creates a risk of losing potential value towards our customers or suppliers or within our own operations. The philosophy in our BI project is that we wanted the local IT teams to create the extractions themselves, of course guided and supported by the central BI team and element61, but so that we ensured ourselves that they did know what they were extracting and that we have the accurate information available. The second factor which was relevant is that we could combine this information with the master data registry, so we were combining item codes and customer codes together to ensure people within the Ardo Group understood each other.
One of the things we build is the cube. So we build it with TimeXtender technology. And with this cube, people are able to build their own report in Excel. That's actually based on the Microsoft technology SSAS, but within TimeXtender, it's done in an easier way.
So far, the biggest benefit of the cube is that the processes go a lot faster. If you want to have some sales data to make your own reports on a group level, you can have them immediately. You don't have to wait for the different sites to send them to you. And then on a group level, we had to put all of those Excels together. Now with the cube, we can make our own reports, but also in the format that we want the reports to be. And this saves us a lot of time.
So the things that were in scope for the first phase were finalized, but we of course have other phases and new things that need to be implemented. One major thing that still needs to be implemented is the new ERP system that will be used within the Ardo Group. So we need to integrate that within the Group BI.
There were 3 main factors that made us opt for element61. First of all, we needed a partner that understood the TimeXtender technology. Secondly, we needed a partner that understood our approach in the extraction and the building up of our new data model. And thirdly, the other areas of expertise element61 has in their portfolio allows us to select them for a long-term relationship on data analytics.